Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with my Boxycharm. It's actually a pretty sad video. Geez, this is getting everywhere. So one of my items in the box came damaged, I would say destroyed. So I got a bronzer and it's like smashed and it's a giant mess, like all over the place. So I actually took some of the items out and gave them a wipe because some of the items were okay. I don't even want to open this, but it's just shattered. So it's pretty unfortunate. I did message them and I think they're gonna get back to me with a response. I think they said they were gonna talk to the company, Pretty Vulgar, and see if they can get any more bronzers, and hopefully this gets fixed up. But that is Pretty Vulgar. It's the Bronze B bronzer and that retails for $32. Pretty unfortunate. I kept this video last minute just in case I got my replacement, but it's not looking like I'm getting a replacement yet, so I just decided to film it and get it up for you guys. So I got this product from, what's it called? Sol Janeiro, and it's the Coco Cabana cream. I was actually really excited that we were getting this. I love the original Bum Bum cream, and I know people have mixed feelings about this. Some people say they hate the smell, it smells like popcorn. I actually went into Sephora and I put a little bit on my hand and I did find it smells like popcorn. But then my mother-in-law, she thought it smelled like coconut, like a coconut cookie, and she actually liked the smell. Anyways, I'm still really excited about getting it. And this is a very good size. So I'm actually going to open it. Yeah, so it does smell like popcorn to me. Like, I can kind of like smell the coconut, but like definitely smells like buttered popcorn. Either way, I'm pretty excited about this, and obviously I didn't want to pay for it, especially if it smells like popcorn, but I'm very happy to get it in the box, and that's a pretty good size. And let's see how much that retails for. $20. So the next product is from Touch and Soul. It's their No Problem Primer. I actually own this. I got one in a box swap and I love it. I use it every day. It's perfect for my dry skin. It's kind of like a gel kind of texture. And I think I got a travel size one in my Ipsy this month. So I'm loving it so far, so I'm really happy to get another one. I'm gonna keep this on backup. Great product, and that retails for $18. So the next product is Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I've used this numerous times. I do like it. For some reason, mine has like a bunch of like scruffs, like marks, and I mean, it's fine. Like, I'm still gonna use it. It's pretty unfortunate. This month my box is kind of disappointed, you know, like I get a destroyed product, so hopefully I get that fixed up. Anyways, this is a full-size mascara. It works pretty good, and that's the wand. Lots of well-known brands this month. And that retails for $24. So there's one more product, and it's from Nude Sticks. Yeah, Nude Sticks. And it's a, what is it? Magnet Luminous Eye Color. So that's pretty cool. And it looks like I got copper foil. That's the shade. open this up. Oh my gosh, kid, this is just not my month. So this is actually pretty destroyed too. Just came out. Well, maybe I could fix it. I don't know. Nevertheless, like, it's gorgeous shade. So I think I'm gonna message them again about like mascara having all those like marks, nude sticks, and obviously they already know about the bronzer. They're all like great, exciting products. It's just we're unfortunate for sure. So that is everything for my Boxycharm video. Hopefully next month is better in terms of nothing gets destroyed. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.